What if I told you that you could earn money while you sleep? But with the power of passive income, this dream can become your reality. Today, I'm going to show you how. Not too long ago, I was just like you, searching for a way to make my money work for me. I stumbled upon Craft Inspector, ChatGPT, and Canva and realized I had a powerful toolbox at my fingertips. With these tools, I could find popular products, write compelling descriptions, and design stunning images. I was on my way to building a passive income stream. But wait, if I don't start a passive income venture within the next 24 hours, I'm going to take the Ghost Pepper Challenge. Yes, you heard it right. Those of you who don't know, it involves eating one of the spiciest peppers on the planet, the ghost pepper. You see, not starting a passive income venture is like willingly eating a ghost pepper. It's a burning sensation in your mouth, a feeling that's oddly similar to watching opportunities for financial freedom slip away because you didn't take action. Now I was on a quest to find passive income. Craft Inspector enables you to identify and define your target audience with precision, ensuring that your message resonates with those who need your products the most. I was sitting in front of my computer, scrolling through countless Etsy listings, desperately searching for that one golden opportunity. Hours turn into days, and frustration starts to set in. I was tired of trial and error, wasting time and money on products that just don't resonate with my audience. That's when Craft Inspector enters the scene, ready to transform your Etsy journey forever. Craft Inspector is your reliable compass, guiding you toward Etsy gold mines. It joins forces with ChatGPT and Canva, forming an unbeatable trinity of research, creativity, and design. ChatGPT is your virtual assistant, providing lightning-fast insights and automating tedious tasks. Let's go. Step 1. Kick off with keywords. Your first task is to leverage Craft Inspector's keyword generator. Enter your central keywords, and the tool will do its magic, conjuring a list of top search correlated keywords based on Etsy's own data. Study the resulting keyword trends and competition data. It's these insights that will guide your next moves. Step 2. Product search. It's time to deep dive into specific products. Use the product search tool, type in search phrases directly tied to your niche. Craft Inspector's comprehensive data on each product, spanning sales figures to reviews, will populate. Remember, this granular data is your friend, your roadmap to what works and what doesn't. Step 3. Category browsing. Feeling uncertain about which products to explore? Not to worry, Craft Inspector offers a treasure trove of pre-built categories. Investigate these sections to uncover the top performing products and shops in each specific niche. Step 4. Explore the shops. Ready to explore successful Etsy shops? Use the shop search tool. Each shop comes with 12 data points, opening a window into their traffic sources and offering a peek into their recent sales. Now that I have found a shop with over 100,000 in sales, we have found a good niche. Next, step 5. Shop analysis. Craft Inspector's analyzer tool. It serves up the entire product data of the shop. And with the product grouping feature, you can easily identify the top performing sections within the shop. Step 6. Decode product titles. Finally, make use of Craft Inspector's product title analyzer tool. It allows you to identify profitable keyword phrases that frequently occur in successful product titles. Incorporate these keywords in your product titles, tags, and descriptions, enhancing the chances of your listings being discovered, which can significantly boost your traffic and sales. Step is to access ChatGPT, a fantastic tool that can assist you in analyze content from Craft Inspector titles and descriptions. I will copy and paste my content analyze prompt in ChatGPT. Next, I will copy the product description from Craft Inspector into ChatGPT and hit go. Next, we will paste the ChatGPT prompts for Etsy. Write an Etsy product title for target market self-improvement niche in the style of the content already provided. My Etsy shop name is Balanced Productivity Planners. Write an Etsy product description. Create 3 possible product descriptions. Write my About Me page on Etsy in a more relaxed way. Look at that. ChatGPT has provided us with a list of potential tags and titles for planners in the self-improvement niche on Etsy. Next. Now, let's pivot to design creation. Here's where Canva comes into play. A treasure trove of design elements, this platform is equally accessible to design novices and veterans. Begin by choosing a template that aligns with your product. It could be a t-shirt, mug, or poster template, depending on what you plan to sell. Once you've selected a template, explore Canva's extensive array of design elements. From fonts and shapes to images and icons, the possibilities are practically endless. Experiment with different combinations combinations, trying out bold colors, varied typography, and striking images until you create a design that's both unique and appealing. Next, connect with Printify. After getting your Etsy shop up and running, it's time to partner with Printify. From your Printify account, click Stores and then add a store. Select Etsy and it will prompt you to authorize the connection. Once done, Printify is linked with your Etsy store. This allows you to select products from Printify's vast catalog, personalize them with your unique designs, and push them directly to your Etsy shop. The entire process is swift, enabling you to populate your store without ever having to worry about inventory management. Imagine launching your own line of digital planners tailored to the self-improvement niche. With Craft Inspector, you'll identify the most in-demand designs and popular features. GPT will help you generate persuasive copy, captivating potential customers from the moment they land on your listing. And Canva, well, Canva will be your artistic playground, enabling you to create stunning visuals that make a lasting impression. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Join the ranks of successful Etsy sellers who have harnessed the power of Craft Inspector, GPT, and Canva. It's time to take control of your Etsy destiny. Click the link below to embark on your journey to Etsy greatness. See you on the other side. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and watch the next video. Until next time, keep the spice in your life and your wallet full. Peace out.